Hi, this is Mike Tyson, and we're on Unboxing. And at the moment, we're gonna unbox strawberry shortcake. This is very difficult to unbox because, as you know, they have strong adhesive tape around here. And so, since I don't have no box cutter, I must do it very violently, but in a good mood. I'm a pessimist. Oh wow, we have all these wires here that'll be very difficult to get her out the box. But I'm gonna try to do this as scientifically as possible. Oh, this is just beautiful. Please forgive me, shortcake. She reminds me of a dancer in Vegas named Desire. Oh, are you okay? So I accidentally ripped a little bit of her hair out. And I will comb her hair now. And as I comb her hair, it begins to look better, and nice, and pretty, and cute. I really like strawberry shortcake. And so I like to say, I am Mike Tyson on Unboxing Boxes.